I'm going to show you 5 of our favorite online arbitrage websites you can use for your Amazon FBA business. And I'll keep the best one until the end, and it may actually surprise you. So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. If you don't know who we are, we're an Amazon FBA software. We're here to teach you all about Amazon FBA, how you can get started, and just teach you tips and tricks which may save you lots of money when you're starting your business. So today we're talking about online arbitrage websites. I'm going to be showing you some of our favorite ones. If you did take any value from this video, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help our channel. But that's enough waffling from me. Let's get into the video and actually show you some websites and also show you some FBA deals alongside them, which we found on them websites. Our first website is called The Entertainer or The Toy Shop. You may have heard of this website, you may not have done. But this website is great for toys, which of course are brilliant sell on Amazon. And one of the good things about this website is they've got a really good sales section. So they're often running sales and the items are a lot cheaper than what they are on Amazon. So let me show you an actual product we found from this website. And this one is this Sonic the Hedgehog Classic Tail 6cm figure, which we can buy for £6. This one's not actually a sale item, which just shows you don't have to have sale items to find online arbitrage deals. But we can buy it for £6 and it's currently selling on Amazon for £13.20, so over double the price, and that's always the thing we're looking for first when it comes to sourcing any FBA product. Now I'll run you through the data very quickly on the Profitl Chrome extension. With the Profitl Chrome extension, it just summarizes all the core data for us to help us make an informed decision. You can also summarize all the data with this summarize with AI button, but the basic information we're looking for is the sales. So we can see it's selling 24 times a month. It's making a 37% return on investment. Usually we want 30% as a minimum, and there's 2 other FBA sellers. Now if we was actually buying this, we'd go into a lot more detail. We'd check out graphs, we'd check out how much stock our competition has, we'd check out whether the price is low now, high now, look at average prices. So there is a lot more which goes into it than I'm showing you today. This video is all just to teach you some websites and show you the sort of thing to be looking for when sourcing your FBA products. Now on to our next website, and this one is Smiggle. So you've probably heard of Smiggle. They also have a high street presence as well, so you can do retail arbitrage and actually go into stores. And they're great for online arbitrage. And again, like the last website, they have a really good sales section, often have really highly discounted products. So this one here actually is in the sale. It's got 50% off, which is great. So it's this drink up bottle, which we can buy for £4.50, and it sells on Amazon for £12.90. So well over double the price, which is absolutely great. Not a massive seller. Only 12 sales a month, but realistically, if this price was to come down, the sales probably would pick up. So 75% return on investment, so there is wiggle room, and 6 other FBA sellers on this listing. So make sure to check out Smiggle and their sales section if you are struggling to find your online arbitrage deals. It is a really great website. Now moving on to our third website, and this one we've actually got 2 products to show you. So it's a double whammy, and this one is Boots, who I have no doubt you've heard of these. Of course, they have a great presence in high street as well, but not so good for retail arbitrage just because they can often be fairly small stores, but they have a huge catalog online, and you're going to find loads of products on here which you won't ever find in store. I'd be pretty certain this first product I'm going to show you is one of these. It's this Dreamland Warming Throw, which is usually £70, but there's a discount on at the moment. So these are half price with the code Dreamland50, so they're £35 each. But check this out on Amazon, we're selling for £59 each. Now, not a crazy return on investment on this one, only 23%, so we might leave this one, but it was still a decent profit, £8.10 profit per unit, 140 sales a month for FBA sellers. Now something to bear in mind with these sales, and if you have seen our analysis videos before, you'll know this already, but this is a variation listing. So these sales are going to be split. All these reviews are split between all these variations as well. So you do have to be a little bit careful, but it is quite easy on Profitl to see which ones are the popular ones. You can just come down to here and click view variation sales. Now our next product, which I'm going to show you from Boots, is this Bayliss and Harding Signature Collection hand wash. So it's £1.69 on Boots, and it's selling on Amazon for £8.87. And you're probably wondering who buys soap on Amazon for £8.87. Well, they do. It's selling, and a lot of the time it's just because people are being lazy and it's the convenience. They want something next day, they can't be bothered to get it, and they'll buy it. And that is a lot of online arbitrage and where you can make profit. It's just people are paying for the premium they're getting with Amazon FBA. So on this one, 16 sales a month, 202% return on investment. So crazy return on investment. So loads of wiggle room on this one. And only 3 other FBA sellers on this listing. So not too much competition at all. Now, before we do get onto our 4th website, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers if you were interested in joining Profitl. So what Profitl does, we are a deal analyzer. So we have a mobile app, a Chrome extension. We also have a deal finding tool to help you find your online arbitrage deals, where we scrape all of the largest retailers in the UK and the US and put the potential deals in a central portal. Wholesale scanner, the most amazing Discord community. So we have 2 discount codes for you, and we'll make them pop up just here. They're going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off. We'll also put it down below in the description, so make sure to save that. Now moving on to our 4th website, and not long away until we show you our absolute favorite online arbitrage sourcing website. And this website I'm about to show, it may be a website which you weren't that familiar with selling online. And so Savers, of course, are very well known on the high street, but they are starting to do a lot more e-commerce as well. This one was this original facial scrub, which we can buy for £2 each. And this deal was slightly different because this was a multi-pack deal. So a pack of 4 of these were selling for £17. So we can buy 4 for £8. So we're buying for £8. We package them up together into a single unit, and then we'll be selling them for £17 on Amazon. So that will give us a 42% return on investment, £3.35 profit per unit, 22 sales a month, and 4 other FBA sellers on this listing. So our favorite website for online arbitrage sourcing for our Amazon FBA business in the UK. Can you guess what it is? It's Notino. If you've seen our videos before, you probably knew we were going to say this one, but if not, Notino is a great website for beauty items. And why we love this website so much is they have such great discount codes on their products. So a lot of their products are discounted. This product right here, an example, so you can actually see the discount code on the item. I don't know why they do it like this. They may as well just put it in the sale. But we can buy this for £2.04 if we use the code SALE. It's usually £2.40, and they have loads of products like this, which can be the difference between it being a good online arbitrage deal and a bad online arbitrage deal. Now, buying this one for £2.04, and then we're selling it for £8.99. So 178% return on investment, 14 sales a month, so not a crazy seller. There's loads of products like this, 6 FBA sellers on this listing, and Notino is just a great website. If you are new to Amazon FBA, I'd really recommend to spend some time on here. You should be pretty confident that you'll be able to find some deals. Now, of course, a lot of these products I've shown you today, you're going to be gated in, so please don't think you can just sell these products. You do need to get ungated. However, it's not too difficult, and we've done quite a few videos about it in the past, and we'll link one just up here. So if you did want to learn how to get ungated, make sure to check that out. But that's our 5 picks of our favorite online arbitrage websites here in the UK. We hope you found that video helpful. If there's any other videos you'd like us to make, please let us know down in the comments. But that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.